I heard that in the woman said you people should come back. Say they know they pursue on again. Imagine. As if we should be praising them. So before, who they telling people to come back before? We don't know say they go back. The light is back. We don't know say they go back before. Doshi. My people, the Ekperima Nnamdi Kanu na the same justice on motor show where they insult. The same justice on motor show say now you want come bring a go which Abuja Nibo, they grace. They born away. So to come Abuja the hungry. So to come Abuja, Shebi they say they make him president there. Oh, they will soon crown him the Sultan of Sokoto. He will be how far now? Now one can come back Abuja. I never see anything said. Hey, I never see anything. Body go tell all of honor. Body go tell all of honor. Princess Smith Jovita, welcome. Body go tell okay to come Abuja the hungry. You don't tell today Sokoto. Sukuta aga like the sun go darken and it go reach like this. This one, this corner. You see here. If he come reach like this, then we go consider shifting him to Gombe. Are you people hearing me? When he is done in Sokoto, he will go to. I said that Ishi Buhari. He's not coming back to this Abuja with that Ishi Buhari. He must bring that Ishi Buhari. He said he wants to go and bring. Okay. He must bring back that Ishi Buhari. We are waiting for him. Okay, if you don't see the Ishi Buhari, bring the ear. The left one. Go bring the left one. Come, make we see. You don't see them? They sent him to Sokoto. He will go there to preach the message of Biafra. So what's going to happen now? You don't tire to preach the message of Biafra. The Biafra message, you know, Graham again. He go here we there. We don't need any noise in this Abuja. You see how we manage this our Abuja jejely. Nobody is under pressure to add security to Kuje. Nobody is afraid that anything may happen in Kuje. Even the people from the community, students will be able to go to school, sleep well at night, prepare for the next day, knowing very well there is no risk of anybody trying to break out any utobo from there. And as shame no catch on, when you people were shouting all this nonsense, insulting the judge, so you've forgotten that it's the same person you will go back to. See, let me tell you people, nothing will remove Nnamdi Kanu from Sokoto. The only place he lives that Sokoto is if you now need make it there today, make it by himself. Make it by himself. If he need rope, we go send them. If he need anything that will quicken the reaction, anything that will catalyze that movement, we will provide it. Make it by himself, they release the body to honor. If not that one now waiting the hungry honor, you will see him in Afaruku Idwe before Friday. Okay? But all this one, why don't they bring him? They should bring him. Why did they put him in secretary? It is to humiliate. Yes, so we want to humiliate him. He must learn Hausa completely. Learn Fulani language. You go learn the greeting. You go the write in Hausa. He must learn at least 5 Hausa songs. Are you hearing me? He must learn 5 Hausa songs. He must learn how to do ablution. You dey hear me? He must know how to do ablution. He must learn how to live with people. So in his next life, because this life not finished now, this say go come out for this one. How? And one more reason they will not bring him to Abuja is this. Okay? Let me block one also. There is one Utobo that calls himself Onyeka Innocent. Oh yeah, type again, let me see. Rankadede. That one, you know, say that kind of people greeting. That side. No be this one. I never begin cry. We must write all the requirements. Person will go youth service will never reach anything. Although an adult service. Now adult service he go. Adult service will never do reach how many months? He never even reach 10 years himself. Oh, let them bring. Okay, I beg you, bring. We go manage that. I beg. Please beg him to careful. Lie. Anything 500 kilometers from Abuja, he will never come there. Okay? 500 kilometers from Abuja, he will never be there. He no go smell this city again. You know, they hear me? So, you are free to cry. You will keep better from now till next century. Now, so you won't be. If you like, naked for what? And I say, when I go do sit at home, how many days? Go ahead. Okay? Thank you, Chioma Release. He's teaching them law now. So let him learn his lessons. At least within the next 21 years, we can consider and take him to Jos. You understand? Next 21 years, we go manage. So, okay, maybe they carry and come Jos. Then that Jos, you know, so many Igbo people also do Jos. But say me they carry, okay, man, I can't do protest and I lie now. Now lie. If you want to do protest, go Sokoto. No man, demo. They want me, they bring her here now. They go they stage protest every day. He must be him. Shebi una be activist. Oh yeah, activate now. Go and activate in Sokoto. Make we see. Try am. You know, this government no get sense because they live on herself on the mumu. They first live on herself. Make on the full on herself first. Make on her first day insult on her mama. You know, when I don't hear government follow on the price go to 1.10. Na lie. Na lie. We file 57 processes. If you not to make noise, then go court of appeal, they Sokoto. Okay? Court of appeal, they Sokoto. Then, if you not to talk, hey, you know, agree us, we know FIFA, then go carry the thing, go Sokoto. I'm gonna go the file and there. Make him near Sokoto there. Make him there. Make the court to there. Move the court to Sokoto. Make we see who go they make noise again. Cry from now till next year. Nnamdi will buy there. He will buy there. They understand this thing. Then go first upgrade this sentence to buy sentence. So, because of course he's going to buy there. But if they upgrade it to that buy sentence, even if he buy, you don't use the hand, carry out the sentence. Okay? This one say, in fact, I go back. They write them. They notice everything when they write for na papa, and they're affecting them this way. Somebody say let's pity him and grant the request to Katsina. No. He wouldn't go to Katsina yet. Let him stay with the Janjaweed first. The Janjaweed, you know the Katsina. Janjaweed. Let him stay with the Janjaweed first. The caliphate. Let him enjoy the caliphate first. Shebi in the shout Sokoto caliphate. In the shout Sokoto caliphate, Abi. You see caliphate. No caliphate. He go fight to come back. He's going to teach them. Where on a bishop? You see that criminal bishop? Anglican people. Now him be that man with my coco. We be the problem with Niger Dasis. When I remember that man, now my coco. We go to do your own Wednesday prayer. That my coco. Now them. The same bishop. That one is a bishop. B-double-E. Then you preach shop. Somebody say you don't know law. Me, I don't know law. And I agree that I don't know the law. That's why I know why made them teach me the law. The best way then they teach the law for Sokoto, he say body no gram. He say body no gram. I don't want to know the law. I know I don't know the law. I'm not going to challenge the law. Why? The people who say them know law, they are lawying it now in Sokoto. They are lawying it now in Sokoto. They never lawyer and finish. Now me want please, oh yes, so I don't know law. I don't know law. Yeah, so them we know law. Made them study and there. Picking where they said school. We never reach how long. November 20th. You go there 21st. Now I don't they do it. Now they on our say, oh man, please, if that's how we go manage. I beg you that. If not so later, I beg you bring her come close now. I beg you government. They don't sabi even call even the way when they take call the man himself. You know go even grant that. Please, you the hear and when they talk here now. Please. This one say God will punish him. He don't the punish him. They know the punishment that Sokoto. Guess the punishment carry the Sokoto. I want to go that Sokoto. Wait, let us check the current weather in Sokoto. Abido, current weather in Sokoto. Sakoto by boss. Shiga, chiki. Sakoto shiga, chiki. Ishiga no. And I never say anything. God will punish you forever. See, I'm now, which punishment forever? Pass life imprisonment. Now they collect like this. Now they collect like see, the current weather in Sokoto is 26 degrees Celsius. Time is 10:26. 12 never nako. I'm 12 o'clock after the whole 26. 12 o'clock sun, 12 noon sun never come out. Weather day 26. Please, assignment. Once you reach 12 p.m. for Nigeria, check the current weather of Sokoto. He said, what is the gain of this message? For people to know, say the wages of sin are buying. Okay? Now be Romans 6:23. Ezekiel 18:20. Now would they preach like this? Or now be Christians now? Now we want to teach you bad. Romans 6:23. Now be this. Ezekiel 18:20. Now you they see so. So make on reserve this your insult. You know, they ask yourself, the insult where you don't the insult person. The more you they insult the person, the more on a group they buy, the more on a leader they waka. Gule gule. Now in Turkish people they call her. Gule gule. Let me see. Okay, it's like I saw a request there from Paul Okoye. Maybe it's a mistake. As you they insult your God, they go straight. The more you they talk, they push and they go inside. They push and they go to me good. He go to me good. Hey, which of the national anthem when they talk? Which of the national anthem? Or I go see something. Cry. I'll allow you people to cry in the comment section very well, because I want make the pepper the enter. Like make it, you know, say if you man and woman they ain't forget. Now sound you go take no. Now sound unless the bed they make noise. So if man they do, woman they like this. You know go the sweet, even you yourself you go think say you they waste your time. But once you move you they hear the sound. You they blow horn, you they hear people. On I go here we. On I go here we. On I never say anything. Somebody say, but Casey, because on a fit frighten them now. Casey they fear on an anti Casey, Madam Casey, E-money brother. Now waiting without E-money, who know him? Who know him? Give me one original Casey song where no people where you know. Apart from that one, give me any other song where you take now. Where be your own original song. You know they. I want the E-money, Madam Casey, Lady Casey, Auntie K. Auntie K, now waiting be your name. So no be people like us. If now apology, they wait for somebody like me. Sorry. Hey, sorry. You're just making. Aye, better bad thing happen to you. Better bad thing happen to you. Yeah, you just join IPOB. Go ask them who you delay. Go ask them who you delay. You just delay. Okay? You just delay. Casey is one name. He is one name and then a family. I can't go work one day. You know they come on this week. Now the first time making talk saying the Biafran. And that is what Nnamdi brought to an Igbo. You don't know calling me. This is what the Perima brought to an Igbo. We are not going to allow it. He will not come to this Abuja. Are you hearing me? See the kind of reverse psychology where they want to play. In the prison there, if not the prisons are bowing down for him. Two others have resigned because they say this is the type of man. So the better hospitality, the presidential hospitality where they give them there, no do. You know what again? Now Abuja where you want to come be slave, one of the fight. Now lie. This one say, oh, let's God is not alive. The day Biafra. For Biafra, that your God don't exist. You see both that your God and that Biafra, they are just figments of your imagination. Where your God the day when this one enter gender. Shedu na say na you send that him. Him. He is getting message from God. Ni yen like chacha Nnamdi Kanu no to say e be ro ne be o be o why o go be be life e bube na agbadata. E bube ne ndị mmadụ say hey ndị Igbo cheer. Anybody can use all this religious nonsense to fool us. Anybody, all of them. Anybody will come. The criminal Ojuku don't come. Carry on her grandfather's finish. Owazuruke come. Carry on her father's finish. Now, if the man who she Ashawu Pikin. He didn't catch him mama with the Sammy dead. Now, me from the Sammy dead the song. Those of them when they look for a song. Why not they let me sing Sammy dead for them? No, be when they catch him mama with Sammy there, they form that. Say, man, I know they touch my mouth too. If you press my button, I go talk. I can be a loose cannon. Should we go into him mama? Of course, na ashawu mama na ashawu. Who no. If mama na pure ashawu. No, people where they send request, relax, make I do the video finish. Okay? Elohim, we have to pray in the language of heaven. Chineko kikabiama is the one. Now muga back when you read the tata. Makosi Biafran easy. Like, how do you even repeat that nonsense without breaking character? How do you and you go wear plate for head though? That head where is Korobe, you go put that plate for head, throw the cloth across the shoulder. The Lord, the Fulani Janjaweed Caliphate have gathered against your people this evening. We said, hey, you send down fire like the day of Elijah. The day they were attacking your children, whom Israel. Abani whom Israel in Ketata. And the Janjaweeds are the pharaohs. Kai! Tear. Adult males and females will be there listening. Now type. Lie down, my reader. Lie down, my reader. Lie down, my reader. My reader. Ojebego. If you see them data, people, you and person will get appointment. Once you don't reach that way, you say, now because you go to meet Ijele, our leader, direct on the live. Director on the live, all of them, so they go up. They go. Umutobo. The day we touch him, Nigeria with that. They finish him. One hour, Nigeria, we burn down. We burn down the zoo. No zoo. Ogunu not in a cage. Ndoshi. My people, let's get to the second topic, which is this Nnamdi. You see, all the people where they, I beg from now on, if you they bomb picking, no name Nnamdi. No name Nnamdi. I don't know a single useful Nnamdi. The only Nnamdi ma na only he will Nnamdi. Only Nnamdi. Maybe not because of only son. Do you know a single useful Nnamdi? Because this second one, I named to Nnamdi. This man was the IT guy from Okozo SAS. Then, you know when this IPOB ESN first started, before many people got wind of what they are doing indoors, they will call somebody, especially people living abroad, they will force you to transfer money to them. Now, you all know, unless you are just joining this Nnamdi DJ, unless you are just joining this movement, if not, you will know that the criminals they used to form ESN are nothing short of this bunch of armed robbers, bank robbers, kidnappers, like all those nduri are children from dysfunctional homes. So one of them, let me block one also. One of them called this guy. That guy lives in Turkey. I will try to see if he has time. Let me interview him. And if he's in Nigeria, I will check if he's in Abuja. If he's in Abuja, I will go and interview him myself. That guy called this boy in Turkey and forced him to send them money. You know when they will call it, this is our freedom, the boys in the bush. How many women gave them money? If they no collect that money for your hand, no less you be Galadima like me, where they no burn anybody to come in for food. Say, make I bring money for like they no burn the use people. With all this noise, what they do? They no burn any of them where come in for food. Say that rubbish. They no burn any food. Tell them, say, make them tell any of their ESN commanders, make him call me for food. Tell me what they tell people about money. If 1 week that one still there alive, I go delete my page. Unless they know, say you did me, say you ready. Like me, I don't know you go obtain you. You put me inside house now. Within hand, who you think say go? I go beat her, collect even in pants. You see the beating where those women, ladies beat her for Enugu naked and now small. I go make a come up for your. Now they call this guy send the money. Now that money where you send them, this Nnamdi will be tracker. Can't they go through him account? Can't see send those people money? Next thing, he go, they set that guy up. You see how much where they in account. And as an IT attaché to the SARS, he knows such people. As a policeman, anybody where they with you, any information where he give you, yourself go they act upon them to saying they give you the right information. Now, so it takes set that guy up. People where they talk about police setup. This guy where they set up, now you guy, he don't talk it. As me, make I even call him fufu. So if Showore they write that nonsense when they publish for our reporters, there is nobody who has gotten involved with these people that does not soil his reputation and name. Yes, let me talk. But let me call the guy. See some of the reports. See the police report of that investigation. He named there. Wait, let me see if I go get that Chibike. How they come? Oh, I don't get that Chibike. Okay, I go call person. May they give me a name. I go even bring the sister. Make on a talk to the sister, even the family lawyer. This boy now got into his account. This Nnamdi Daniel, he got into his account. Then saw that this guy has money there. And person where they do money business, where they give money, go transfer to people, the money they go in and out of the account. Even the guy Mercedes, even threatening the guy, say if the guy don't leave the Mercedes and how many million when you talk, saying go rob him in. Now so take rob that guy in. Say the guy na kid and napper. Now so they carry police, so go there. Action, please. Anybody, somebody where die abroad, get money. If they come back, get his own pump action, we get license. Na batting. Na batting. Now that gun the whole hand say the guy na gun runner. One, he transfer money to criminal, a known kidnapper. No, that guy transferred that money because these people want money house. They want money house. He paid that money as ransom. And this Nnamdi knows that guy paid ransom. That it was ransom that guy paid. He's not treating it as if he's transferring money to criminals. Are you understanding it? He's not saying that he transferred money to criminals. Meanwhile, thank you so much, Stanley. Because the guy, if you know that, they go burn down your house. He came to do his father's funeral. Mind you, this is the guy that was planning his father's funeral. All the expensive drink where they bring there. This is, and I don't know the type of people where you go put for that group. Where come they said. Now so them pack everything. Ask them who for that day, for that place. Who released bullets that day? Ask them. Sahara reporters, ask your so-called whistleblowers who first released bullets. And if you come the operation, that joint operation, based on waiting the hacker, tell them, and I be the hacker. Are you understanding me now? So when they carry this boy and the sister, can this matter come go out? There is one police lady. What's her name? Hi, Princess Nkiru Kamode. Do you know that fine police? That fine police woman that was the PRO at Zone 13. No, that fine one now we get. Yes. When this thing got to her, she called the CP, called so many people and told them, no, this guy is lying to you people. And by then, even the Turkish shirts where the guy bring come back, all these things, they don't wear them. He transferred money from millions of naira from this guy's account to the bureau de change operator he's using. He has a BDC guy at Onitsha Market. Let Sahara reporters go and do their investigation. So we go and check who you are posting. No, go come. Okay? But here's another. You don't finish in hand. This Nnamdi, I'm telling you, he has a bureau de change person he was working with. And they also use it to target one SARS operative, CSP Patrick. I don't know if you people remember that CSP Patrick case. As at that time, in fact, I will show you people some of the arrests that CSP Patrick was making. That people, like he was cleaning this iPod ESN with art noise. Let me see if I still have some of the videos. Let me see if the videos are still here. And as at that time, the operation was hitting up. They were hitting these criminals. Like them being the knack them, waiting no good. Where this video? Okay, I think it's on this particular phone. That video is on this particular phone. I will share it. CSP Patrick was finishing them. Okay? Was finishing them then. What did this Daniel Nnamdi do? He ran and started spreading the propaganda. My people, we don't follow share the news, say then they do organ trafficking for Okuzo SARS that year. Or now don't forget when they bring the news for us. Yes. Now that case be this. They even get one DSS person. Showore, ask that your guy where the DSS person where they involved for that case too. When into the use. Go check. Ask him. When he saw that the investigation was coming closer to him, and if not for the smart intervention of that princess Nkiruka Mode, if not for intervention, this guy for go free. Now, Showore should ask this boy, why did he run to Benin Republic, and where did they have to drag him back from Benin Republic? Yes. Why did he run to Benin Republic? And why were they still sending him money? By day, I mean the BBC person he was working for. Sending him money. This is the part of that story they are not telling you. I am happy the victim himself is alive. Chibuike is alive today. The sister is alive today. So let Sahara reporters go and interview those people too. Let Sahara reporters go and interview those people. Oh, whistleblower. Yeah, I won an award for this nation. Who not they wind that nonsense? Because in case they come up and they are targeting the 3 active SARS units in Anibo. Currently, the only 3 active SARS units in Anibo, SWAT, are Enugu, Imo, and Anambra. This one now, they want to use it to distract the works of Okoso SARS. I'm telling you now. The senator and his useless statement was the one for Enugu. He started in Enugu. Inside this week alone, this week, today is just a 2-day back. But I can tell you, within the last 4 days, that SWAT commander in Enugu has been in the bush himself. This one will be said in the send boys. Now him they use in hand, the lead boys, lead the men inside that place. Now him they lead the men inside that place. Now him that useless senator go they say something about him. Showore carry Anambra State and he be like say don't drop him on small. And he don't drop him like we know the sea, we don't get eyes. No, let him keep printing about Tiger Base, see if he will not lose credibility. You see these IPO people he has gone in bed with and doing this blatantly, it is going to make him lose credibility. By the time election comes around, these same Igbotic people, they will go back to wherever P2B is. I am telling you, then by then he would have lost them. That electoral value he thinks they will give him has finished. Let him just be enjoying the media publicity. Finish. Then by the time those people leaves, the neutral Nigerians will be seeing him completely differently. You think Nigerians are stupid? They don't know the activities of IPOB, and they don't know you are now using Sahara reporters to run cover for them. It's such a shame that Showore degraded himself like that. It is such a shame. Imagine everything I told you about this Nnamdi Daniel. You will hear it from the families involved. This will not be my words against Sahara reporters. No, it will be their false publications with the family. Once again, the Tiger Base they are talking about, why are they not showing you the pictures of the people by a Tiger Base? Tell me. The Shias, you saw their pictures that were by that time. What is holding them from sharing the pictures of this so-called innocent ESN that Tiger Base by? Because once they bring the picture like this, if you somebody will say, oh, now this one follow support the other day. Now this one buy social person, social place. Even people from their community go to expose them. They will just be using conjecture. Then they will build up the fact that Showore will even open his mouth and build up Nnamdi Kanu as a activism bwako. Activism bwako. So this is what they call a board passes for activism. Defending criminals. No, let him keep printing. All those things he's printing and within Nnamdi. Let them not delete any post until you hear from the family directly. Then you know between I and Showore who is right on the security in the Southeast. My people, I just got a message so that I can be able to bring people on. I love you all. Hit the like button and share the stream. I'll be logging off now. If I have time, I will still come back on TikTok. That place, we go finish the Ekpedima. Nnamdi Kanu. As for the bingos, wait for us on TikTok. Now that place we go finish Nnamdi Kanu. Let him come and enter Abuja. Let's see. Yeah, they have Abuja.